this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to look just like Little Red Riding Hood. I'm starting off with my NYX Ultimate palette in these beautiful fall-inspired colors, and I am taking a milk chocolate shade and blending it into my crease. Taking a brick red color, I'm going to apply that color on the outer corners of my eyes in almost like a letter C shape, and to give it the best impact, I'm going to tap the color in. Now I'm going to take my blending brush again and smoke out the color even more to blend any harsh edges out. I'm applying the same color to my lower lash line with an angled brush. Now I'm using my fluffy crease brush to feather out the outer corners in an upward sweeping motion, kind of give it that cat eye appearance, and just blend, blend, blend to smoke it out even more. Now I'm using a smoky gray color and a very small crease brush to really get into the sockets of the crease. It's not very fluffy, it's a pretty dense brush, so it's excellent for getting the color in just the exact spot that you want. And again, using my fluffy blending brush, I am blending it out even more to make my eyes appear more dark and smoky. Now I am taking my Kuromi themed eyeshadow palette by Wet n Wild Cosmetics, and I am selecting the very shimmery gold shadow, and I'm applying that right on the very center of my eyelids and patting it in with my finger to give it the best impact. Now I'm taking a shimmery champagne colored shadow, and I'm applying that right in the inner corners of my eyes to give my eyes some more light and innocence. And I'm applying the off-white matte eyeshadow to my eyebrows to give my brows some lift. And now I'm lining my waterline with a black eyeliner pencil. To darken my eyes even more, I'm applying the eyeliner to my very bottom lash line, and I'm going to smudge it out with my angled brush to make it smoky. I want my eyes to appear almost like they're infected, which is why I'm using the red shadows and the dark eyeliner. Usually you don't want to use red eyeshadows because of that, but this is one of those few times where it will actually help with your look. So now I am using my Steve Laurent liquid eyeliner pen, and it's seen its last days, so I threw it out after I finished filming this video. But I just used it to apply a nice winged eyeliner, and now I am curling my lashes and applying 2 thick coats of Essence mascara. So I'm basically trying to resemble the look of how I imagine Red Riding Hood would be as a young lady, a young adult, rather than a little girl. So I want this look to be sexy and kind of a bit dark, but yet still capture that sweet little innocent personality that she has. So now I'm applying a cream blush stick by Nude Sticks. This color is called Body Language, and it's almost like a woodsy red kind of color. It's like the perfect color for the fall time. When applying a cream blush, you want to pat the color in with your fingers, don't rub it. And now I am setting on my makeup with some face powder foundation by NYX Cosmetics. I powdered my face last because I used mostly cream products on my face, and I wanted to wait and powder everything at the end so that it would all set in place and not smudge. And now I am taking a lip and cheek pencil by Nude Sticks in the color Sin, and just applying that on my lips, and this color sort of matches my cheek color. It's like a berry woodsy color, perfect for the fall, and still gives that sweet, innocent, yet sexy Red Riding Hood look that I am going for. And that is my finished look, and now I will show you how I made my outfit. So my red cape came from Walmart, and I am wearing a very nice white, almost blouse type kind of shirt, and I am wearing a black skater skirt with some black leggings, and I'm wearing black combat boots. So here is my basket of goodies for Grandma. Oh no! I better get going. I think I hear the wolf coming.